Hey, it's John Tech here, and today we're going to be talking about new leaks of Google Pixel 8. Google Pixel 8 leaks have now started coming out just a month after the Pixel 7 series debuted. The Google Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro will have the code names Shiba and Husky respectively. For reference, the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro bear the code names Cheetah and Panther. It appears that Google is going after big dog names for next year's flagship phones after having code names of cats for the Pixel 7 series. Additionally, WinFuture claims to know some key specifications of the Pixel 8 lineup. However, do keep in note that these are very early specifications and might change as the development of the phones progress. One of the guaranteed specifications in the inclusion of Android 14, which should be codenamed Upside Down Cake. Furthermore, it is reported that the Pixel 8 will ship with a new processor, which has the codename Zuma. This would undoubtedly the Tensor G3 chipset. The leak may be suggesting that the Tensor G3 could have the same modem as the Tensor G2, which is made by Samsung. However, other specifications of the Tensor G3 chipset are unknown at the moment. Moving to Pixel 8, the standard model could have the resolution of 2268x 1080, while the Pixel 8 Pro could land at 2822 x 1344. The later could have the QHD Plus panel, while the base model could get an FHD Plus screen. These resolutions make sense since the Pixel 6 and Pixel 7 have 180p panels, while the Pro models have 1440p screens. These are the early leaks about the Pixel 8 series, but as I said before, these are very early details and much might change as we inch closer to the launch. So that's everything. Hey guys, let me know what do you think about that, and also don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you soon.